wife Nicole, Concord, California. It's my 2016 Ram 2500 with a Cummins. It's got a full Carli 3-inch lift on it with remote reservoir shocks. Got factory air ride suspension with auto leveling in the rear. So anytime you put a load on it, it automatically adjusts itself and goes full level, which is really cool.
Awesome.
Yeah. Built the flatbed for it. Wanted the access to more storage. Added about 8 inches to the factory bed length so it fit the camper properly. Added some 5-foot aluminum boxes made from Taylor Wing out of Rancho Cordova. It's all 2x3 steel bed frame. Use 14 gauge steel for the skirts. We still plan on adding maybe some top boxes from access points up here. And then I'm going to add some boxes in the corner here that'll open up and latch and everything like a full box for recovery stuff. It's a 2018 Hawk version, front dinette, pretty loaded. Got the fridge, sink, water heater, obviously, outdoor shower. I've been pretty much infatuated with them for a long time, and I've been teasing her for about 8 years. I ran into a group of them up in the Sierras and just absolutely loved it. I still like to do primitive camping, and I can still get where I want to go and not see people with this setup. So it worked for us, and I could get her winter camping in this, as I couldn't before in a tent.
That's the only way he was going to get you winter camping.
So that worked out. That was a benefit for me and her. Now we can camp year round comfortably. So we're running Toyo MTs, the open countries, 37-inch on 18-inch rims. You still got a lot of sidewall flex. I don't like running a 20 on an off-road tire. You limit the sidewall flex on it. So we removed the spare tire from under the trunk as well as the winch mechanism. We're going to mount a 10-gallon freshwater tank under there for hand washing and so forth. It won't be tied into the camper, but we'll be able to wash our hands outside. Use some 17-inch LED lights on the back for brake, light, turn. Got some LED backup lights, you know, cheapies off of Amazon. Got an LED license plate frame. And used the factory camera off the truck and made a mount for it so it still works off the factory screen. And then we have a future spare tire mount that's already there that will run a full-size spare off the back, high lift jack and so forth. 5-foot box, got the factory gas filler and everything in there, all self-contained, so I didn't have to mess with that. Just cut a hole in the bottom of the box and sealed it off. This will be home to a chainsaw and everything else that we need off-road.